The biggest difference between these two forms of eggs is the state they are sold in. Liquid eggs come in blended liquid form, whereas regular eggs are sold whole in their shell. This is only one difference between them, and today, we will look at every aspect. This includes how they are made, sold, and used, their nutritional value, and even how you can make liquid eggs at home. What are liquid eggs? Liquid eggs, also commonly known as breaker eggs, are exactly like regular eggs but are sold in liquid form. The eggs have been broken out of their shell and whisked together to create an egg fluid that is usually sold in juice boxes. How liquid eggs are made. The eggs are screened for any debris, cracks, or other abnormalities. Then, the whole eggs are cracked and poured into a mechanism that separates the egg whites from the egg yolks. This is when the eggs are pasteurized. The reason the egg whites and yolks are pasteurized separately is that they need different temperatures to kill certain bacteria without cooking. Once the eggs have been pasteurized, the blending process begins. To create liquid whole eggs, the producer has to combine the correct ratio of egg white to egg yolk. Once measured, they can combine the two components and package them. Production processes, pasteurization. Liquid eggs are almost always pasteurized and homogenized. Both of these processes help reduce the risk of foodborne illnesses, especially in raw, uncooked products like eggs. When liquid eggs are pasteurized, the eggs are heated to a specific temperature that is high enough to kill certain harmful microorganisms, but not too high to start cooking the eggs. The eggs should start at room temperature before being pasteurized. Once the eggs have been heated, they are immediately and quite rapidly cooled back to room temperature. Liquid eggs marketing. When a product has been labeled as liquid whole egg, it has to have the correct ratio of egg white and egg yolk that a regular egg has. If they don't, the manufacturer should state the ratios on the juice box. Many of them do sell only liquid egg whites or liquid egg yolks. Liquid egg nutrition. The nutrition of liquid eggs depends on the ratio of egg white to egg yolk. If you have whole liquid eggs, their nutrition will be pretty much the same as compared to regular eggs. However, if you have yolk-only liquid eggs, they will have the nutrition of only the yolks and none of the whites. The same goes the other way around. Liquid egg whites don't have many nutrients, just like regular egg whites don't. Liquid eggs versus real eggs, comparison. So, finally, liquid eggs versus real eggs, what are the actual differences? Well, first, regular eggs are sold whole and still inside of the eggshell. Liquid eggs come without a shell and are incompletely blended in liquid form. They are also sold in juice boxes instead of egg cartons. They both are still made from real fresh eggs and have virtually the same nutritional makeup when comparing one regular egg with one liquid whole egg. This also means that both have a similar color, yellow, when mixed. They both will still function in the same way in baking and cooking. Liquid eggs can also act as a binding ingredient, help enrich products like bread and cakes, add nutritional value to meals, and help give color. Powdered liquid egg recipe. For this method, you will need about 2 cups of water for every 150 grams of egg powder, unless your package states otherwise. You can simply place the water inside a large bottle, slowly add the egg powder, and shake it vigorously after every addition to properly combine the components. How to use liquid whole eggs. With liquid, you can make fried eggs, use them to make scrambled eggs, or make many different kinds of omelets. It can also be used as is to help crumb ingredients to create a crispy layer. It also works great as an egg wash to help add color and stick pastries together. You can use liquid eggs to make cakes, pancakes, muffins, bread, and virtually anything else you can think of that uses eggs. One thing to keep in mind is that you should always check that the liquid eggs have the correct ratio of egg whites and yolks that you need. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.